Okay, Dodge Charger fans, this is Gause Garage coming to you from the Sunshine State All Mopar Regional Car Show, and you are looking at a premium Charger RT with some very specific neat things done on it. As you can see, per the fender tag, it is a real Charger RT. It's F3 green, which is the light green. 440 wedge. Beautiful paint. Interior is wonderful. Bucket seat, console, 4-speed. Very nicely done. Glass top. Looks like a fresh restoration. And one of the neatest features about this car, as you can see, it's a stripe delete. And with the stripe delete, you get these RT emblems in the back. Only with the stripe delete car. And looking back, you can see the bodywork is beautiful. The white top with the F3 green is beautiful. Evidently, the owner's out of Pennsylvania. And certainly, this is a very nice restoration. And that Charger body, when it came out in '68, every kid in America said, "Oh my God, I've got to have one." So there you go, Charger fans. You are looking at a smoking beautiful Charger RT, console 4-speed, in excellent condition and very correctly restored. And you have aftermarket air put on it, and no one would argue with that, especially here in South Florida. So there you have it, Charger fans. Gause Garage coming to you from the Sunshine State All Florida Mopar Regional Show. Thank you very much.